take a look at this winter wonderland. Do you have goosebumps or do you have goosebumps? So we know that every single year, Pottery World here in Rockland, they go above and beyond for the holidays, especially Christmas. And Anne and her team of elves, they have been very, very busy. Anne, it looks incredible. You have set up 13 different motifs throughout the store. What are we standing in right now?
This is our snowflake soiree. So it's just dripping with lights and crystals and beautiful sparkling ornaments and just fun things to set up for the table for the holidays.
Yeah, okay, and let's make our way to the other side of the store because I said earlier, you know, there's two types of people. There's white lights and then there are rainbow lights people. Still in the white lights, tell us about this theme.
This is our first Noel, so religious-based. We have angels and the nativity sets, lots of candle lights going, and of course all the beautiful sparkling ornaments.
Yes, and what we are about to see, you know in the movie The Elf, or in Elf when he sets up the department store and you're like, only the magic of an elf could create something like this. Well, I guess Anne is truly an elf because look at this. This is very merry and it's as merry as it gets. Tell us about, I mean, you got so creative with this, Anne.
Thank you. This is just a burst of color. So if you like color, this is the look for you. Very merry. It has, you know, a lot of motion going on, infinity lights, and hopefully a lot of inspiration, tabletop things to put out, and lots of great accessories too.
Yeah, what I love about what you do is, of course, you set up the inspiration. People can purchase things and kind of go off what you did, but you also set up things that people can do at home. Maybe you already have a Santa. You could set up these string lights, like he's causing a little bit of Christmas chaos as well. Yeah. It's just so cheery. You told me to. A little kid walked in the other day and just did this and said, wow, you're setting up that Christmas magic for people, and that must mean so much to you. Tell us what this theme is here.
Oh, that's our Whoville. We have a few fun Grinch lovers, so we thought we'd tap into that. Again, a lot of fun color, and it's just very whimsy.
So whimsy. Now, to celebrate this weekend, this is your 24th annual at this location, your open house for the holidays. Justin, tell us what people can expect from that.
So we're going to be extended hours. We're open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's our longest day of the year. Our cafe is going to be open till 6:30, so we're going to do a dinner. We'll have live music, we'll have party bars, we have the real Santa and Mrs. Claus coming, do a book signing as well. And we're taking donations for the Mustard Seed School in Sacramento, which is a great organization.
And you matched the donations. Last year, you were able to donate a total of $15,000 toward that nonprofit, which is just incredible. And of course, it's the season of giving, so nothing better to get you in the spirit of things than doing that as well. Again, the open house takes place this weekend. So much fun happening, but this will be around all season long. Really quickly, what is this theme in here?
This is our tartan look, so very traditional, red and green and gold, and yeah, very traditional Christmas.
I feel like I'm in the middle of a Christmas movie. Okay, executive producer Tracy, John kept saying you're like more, but I think that she can be happy and satisfied with this. 3 things in life are certain: death, taxes, and that Pottery World is going to go all out for the holidays. So come experience the magic, guys.
She said wrap it up. She'll take it all.
Done. Thank you, Mom.
Put it on the corporate card.
Oh, man.